Greetings, tiny pals! Join us for a one-of-a-kind adventure as we encounter a domestic camel stuck in the mud amidst a diverse gathering of wild, zoo and farm animals. Prepare for a heartwarming journey filled with teamwork, compassion and the spirit of unity. Find yourself amidst a lively gathering of animals from various backgrounds, from majestic lions to gentle cows and mighty elephants in the mud ground. Time to dive in. A journey through their world of sheep. Sheep are found all over the world and are raised for various purposes in different climates and environments. Sheep exhibit strong flocking instincts and often follow a leader, which can make them easier to manage as a group. Nature's monochrome marvels, Panda. Pandas are well adapted to living in high-altitude mountainous regions, and they have a special enzyme in their bodies that helps digest tough bamboo fibers. Panda cubs are born blind, hairless, and extremely small. The graceful guardians of the donkey. On average, donkeys can live for 25 to 30 years, although some may live even longer with proper care. Donkeys are known for their hardness and ability to adapt to different environments. They can thrive in arid regions. Wilderness wonders, exploring bison. Bison play a critical role in shaping their habitats through grazing and trampling, which can help maintain the diversity of plant species and create habitat for other animals. Female bison give birth to a single calf. Silent wanderers, observing deer. Deer are found on every continent except Antarctica, with the highest species diversity in North America and Asia. The lifespan of deer varies depending on the species and environmental factors. In the wild, they typically live 4 to 8 years. The secret lives of crocodiles. Crocodiles are ambush hunters. They often lie partially submerged in water, waiting for prey to come within striking distance. They can also move quickly on land when necessary, using their powerful tails to propel them forward. Today's animal showcase, the rooster. Roosters are adult male chickens. The term rooster is commonly used in the United States, while in other English-speaking countries they are often referred to as cocks or cockerels. The majestic buffalo revealed. Found in Asia and parts of Europe, particularly in countries like India, China and Italy. Buffaloes are generally calm and plucked, but they can become aggressive when threatened. Our spotlight turns to ducks. Male ducks, called drakes, often have more vibrant and colorful plumage compared to females. Female ducks usually have more muted colors, providing better camouflage during nesting, while ducks are known for their quacking sounds. Journey into the world of moose. While moose are large and powerful, they do not have natural predators, including wolves and bears. However, adult moose are formidable and can defend themselves effectively. Moose have a unique flap of skin called a bell. Discovering giraffes in the wild. The long neck of a giraffe has the same number of vertebrae as most mammals, including humans. Each neck vertebrae can be up to 10 inches long. Giraffes have excellent eyesight. Journey to the wild side. The hyena. Spotted hyenas have a robust build, powerful jaws, and strong forelimbs. They are known for their hunched appearance, with their hindquarters higher than their shoulders. The aardwolf is a smaller species of hyena. Exploring the habitat of black bear. Adult black bears are generally medium-sized. Black bears are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of habitats, including forest, swamps, and mountainous regions. They are distributed across North America from Canada to Mexico. The diverse breeds of chickens. Chickens are surprisingly intelligent birds. They can learn from experience, understand cause and effect, and even display problem-solving skills. There are hundreds of chicken breeds, each with its own unique characteristic. Delving into the wonders of cats. Cats were likely first domesticated in the Near East around 7500 BCE, primarily for their role in controlling pests. Cats are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. Cats communicate with each other. Understanding and caring for rabbit. Rabbits have continuously growing teeth, and to prevent them from becoming too long, they need to chew on things regularly. Rabbits communicate with each other through various body movements. A spotlight on rhinoceros beauty. While some rhino species like the white rhinoceros are relatively social and can be found in groups called creches, others like the black rhinoceros are more solitary. Rhinos are endangered due to poaching for their horns. Living in harmony with zebra rhythms. Zebras are adaptable animals that can be found in a variety of habitats. Female zebras typically give birth to a single foal after a gestation period of about 12 to 14 months. The foals can stand and run shortly after birth. Discovering hippopotamus in their habitat. Despite their massive size, hippos are herbivores. Hippos communicate with each other through a series of vocalization, including grunts, honks, and wheezes, and their lives in groups called pods or billods. a symbiotic relationship of bears. Bears are known for their hibernating during the winter months. During this period, their heart rate and metabolic rate decrease, and they live off stored fat. Bears have strong claws and teeth. Encounter the bull in its habitat. The lifespan of a bull varies, but they typically live around 15 years, depending on factors such as breed, health, and living conditions. Bulls are often used symbolically. In many cultures, they represent strength, fertility, and power. The story of horses and their charm. Horses are social animals that form strong bonds with others, both within and outside their herd. They often display social hierarchy or pecking order. Horses have played a critical role in human civilizations. The captivating story of white tigers. In the wild, Bengal tigers, including white tigers, generally have a lifespan of about 10 to 15 years. In captivity, they may live longer with proper care. White tigers are carnivores and their diet consists of large mammals. Elegance in motion. Look at cheetahs. Cheetahs are easily recognizable by their distinctive black tear stripes, which can run from the inner corners of their eyes down to the sides of their mouths. Cheetahs communicate through a variety of vocalizations. Wild harmony. Wolves in nature. In the wild, wolves typically live around 6 to 8 years, although some individuals have been known to live longer. Some wolf species such as the red wolf and the Mexican gray wolf are considered endangered. Discovering the mighty lion. Lions are powerful animals capable of reaching speeds of around 35 mph. Lions communicate through vocalizations such as roars, growls, and grunts. Roaring is often used to mark territory and is more commonly associated with males. Getting to know about the goat. Certain goat breeds such as Angora and Kashmir goats are valued for their fiber. Goats are often used for vegetation control as they can graze on plants that are hard for other livestock to consume, and female goats are called does. Unraveling the mysteries of camels. Camel milk is a nutritious alternative to cow's milk. It is lower in fat and lactose, and it contains more vitamin C and iron. In some cultures, camel milk is a staple food. Camels have a relatively long lifespan for a large mammal. They can live up to 40 years. Camels have a remarkable ability to find their way across vast Appreciate your time with us to Domestic Camel Stuck in Mud. Subscribe now. Embark on this unforgettable journey of camaraderie and compassion as we come together to rescue a domestic camel stuck in the mud. Amidst a gathering of wild zoo and farm animals. Anticipate our next soggy adventure. See you later, youngsters.